What are the medical or the medicinal benefits of consuming soursop leaf tea?
Well, it's gonna be a huge discussion now.
Mhm.
Well, internet is flooded with advertisements about soursop leaves and how it can treat, prevent, or even cure cancer. Well, the modern scientists have been studying the plant for over 50 years. They have found out a number of phytochemicals such as acetogenins, alkaloids, phenols. Interestingly, they do kill cancer cells, but in test tubes and in animal studies. Human trials are yet and are in process. However, the human research is not yet conclusive and require much more detail. So, if I talk about the medicinal aspect of the soursop leaves, like few people have concerns about how it can cure cyst in the neck. Well, cyst is just a lump which can depend on the cause and how long it has been visible to the patient and how it is affecting the livelihood of the person. If I talk about the benefits of soursop leaf tea for the person with a problem in neck cyst, it is still the information is still very limited and needs much more conclusive decisions. The Cancer Treatment Centers of America, in an article in 2017, actually advised experts have shown strong concerns against using the fruit to treat cancer. There is no evidence of its safety or efficacy in human studies till date. Recent researches in 2021 and 20 and so on have been going on, and they have actually said that Graviola or the soursop tea leaves that we are talking about is a very promising fruit, leaves, and which can have immense health benefits, but it is yet to be proven through researches so that we can talk about its benefits for human use. People are also thinking about if we drink tea for a longer period of if for the longer period of time, will it help us? Will it benefit us or will it harm us? Well, the effectiveness of sour soup tea leaves depends on the incubation time and extraction method. A recent WebMD article in 2022 actually says that the best dose of how much it should be consumed is still not known. In fact, a prolonged usage is of great concern, and it has been reported that it can damage your nerves, it can lower your blood pressure, lower your blood sugar levels, and it can also interfere in your medical testing. For example, it absorbs all the radioactive drugs during your nuclear imaging, and it avoids you to give a clear picture of your test.